Hurry up, buddy. We should check out the kitchen. Wow! Look at this place. It's dirty again. We can throw a big party. Hey guys, come over. It's party time. There's food for everyone here.
Crumbs on the floorboard, sauce on the pan, grease on the ceiling, we dance if we can. Hey! This kitchen is dirty! We're having fun here!
What happened to you all?
We are trapped! Help us get rid of this trap!
We've lost our friends. Everything's clean now, and there's nothing left to eat. We should get out of here.
Let's learn some new vocabulary from this lesson. First, buddy. A buddy means a close friend. Second, to throw a party. To throw a party means to organize and host a party. And third, be trapped, which is verb phrase means to be unable to escape or get out of a place or situation. How did you know I was going to say that?
Come on, you're my buddy from elementary school. I know you.
We finally have some free time. Any ideas?
Let's throw a party this weekend. Is anyone there? We're trapped in the elevator.